but it's food today. Yeah, not livestock. Here we go. He's got her fired up. He's bringing her to the line. This is Cory Clemens. Now Cory with a good pull to get us started off here. Turn it down and come back. I think we're pretty close on our sled setting. He's got to be up there past 300 feet. And he did. He went 301.74, 301. If you put it, that's where he'll back up to. If you don't move it, he'll back up right to where it was at the last time. Now coming out onto the track is a brand new truck for 2026. This is Greg Strandlie. Nice pull for Greg. I think he's going to move the leader flag just a smidgen. Okay, this here's going to be Joe Wiltse from Maple Park, Illinois. After he scrapped the power stroke on one last time, he already that's a good run for Joe Wiltse, the relentless Ford, and he's got that's really handy for hauling them 10-foot sheets of drywall. He had to beat 308, and they start rolling down the track, and that box starts rolling down them rails, and it's driven by the back tires on the sled, and it's the same for everybody in the class. Decent run for John. He got it off the line. It's going to be Ben Aaby with a truck he calls Indecisive. And Indecisive, that's a good name for a truck, because I really can't make up my mind either. That's a good pull. Did you see how he did that? He rolled around about 10 feet before he put the throttle all the way down. That's what Now he got her down there pretty good. That's pretty cool watching him spool that thing up. I don't know. Particular pull. And now Ripp out of Dane, he moves the sled way over to the left-hand side. Now Ripp, he was our winner last night in Mazomanie, and it was a very highly competitive class. Has to say, he had to beat 307. How about 311.80? That's gonna be. Oh yeah. He runs the sideline to perfection also. Boy, I don't know if he's going to catch Ripp. They haven't moved that leader marker down there at all. According to my Nashville high school math, that'll put him. Oh boy, she got to hopping and she got to wallering too, kind of side to side, and he finally pulls the throttle back. He sees there's no future in this run. She got to put 9 feet on second place at the time, and I thought, boy, nobody's going to beat that. By the time it was over, he ended up third. decent run, but the motor cut out on him a couple of 3 times. At first I thought maybe he was playing with... At first I thought maybe he was playing with the throttle a little bit, but he certainly wouldn't have been doing it at 250 foot.